How you doing? How are you? How you doing, ma'am?
Alright.
Can I talk to you for a minute? How you doing? You guys doing okay? How you doing, sir? Alright. Sergeant Morgantown. Sergeant, how are you? Come on out here, Sergeant. How you doing? Alright. I understand that you're falling on hard times.